Hello guys. So hello guys. So I welcome you back to my channel. Okay guys. So I'm reaching you live from Lagos, Nigeria. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to make timetable in MSF 2019 for secondary school. So here we go now. So how? So guys, the next thing here to do is to just make sure that we count the numbers of where to for instance now the timetable is going to be the column and the column must be 10. Okay, so based on how you want to arrange your own. So in this series situation now you can see how I'm just rolling this to J. Okay, let me just drop it at J here, and then we will have to take it down a little bit again, so to 12, so that it can contain the timetable. So to 12 here. Okay, let me leave that 13 here. Okay guys, so the next thing here is to just make sure that, okay, let me go back to this area. I mean this one is to 12 here. Okay, let's say 13 here. As you can see it like this, you move down to fill color. So from that fill color you can choose colors to highlight it here like this. Okay guys, so it has already updated like that. So here now we can write period. Okay, we can write period there. Okay guys, after writing our period here, so the next thing to do here is to just make sure that we highlight this place in order to write this. Okay, so let me just drop it here like this. We're going to write this. You do the exactly things here is to just come down here to fill this place. So we have to fill it very well like this. Okay, so it's already filled. So the next thing here to do is just to write this. Okay, just write this there. All right, so we can write it and make it in a center by clicking merge and center. Okay, so merge and center like that. So the next thing to do is to make sure that we also write all this place, highlight this place, draw it to this angle and make sure it come down. You come down here, just make sure the plus is updated. Okay, so we have to fill this area also by filling it like, okay, let's use this same color here. Okay guys, so this where we are going to write the first period and the time, the starting time and the end of the time. Okay, so that is here we write it. So that is it. Okay, let's start writing now. So guys, this is the first period. So this first period now, what we can really do here is to come down to this place and write second. Okay, just write second, and this one will be third period. So third period like that. So that's how we write this today. Okay, after done with the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth period, the next thing here is to start writing. So you just come down to this place, start writing the time, exactly the time the teacher will come in and the time that he or she will departed. Okay, so we just write 8:40 a.m. 8:40 a.m. Okay guys, so that's how we start writing and then we write the end of the period here, that is 9:20 a.m. Okay guys, so that's how we start writing like that. Okay guys, so in this now, the next thing here is to do is to just break time period. We have to leave a space for break time period. So this area will be the break time period after the first, second, and third period. Okay guys, so the next thing here to do is just come down to this insert. From insert here now, we allow it to update it. Okay, from insert now we move down to this text box. Can you see the text box there? So that is where we test, and then we now write. So we want to write now break time, that is 20. Break now, write break. Break, that is 25 minutes. So after writing this one, now the next thing to do, we have to make sure that you can see this star. It's pop like this. You have to roll it up like this, so to perfect this area. Okay guys, so this is what we are going to do. Take it to this area and then we change it like this in this form. Can you see that? Okay, so we now move it down to this area. Okay, so that is how to write break times. As you can see the break time, the next thing here is to do is to continue writing our time. So that is from 10:40 a.m. from 10:40 a.m. from 10:40 a.m. to, okay guys, so from 11 a.m. to 11:40 a.m. So now write 11:40 a.m. 11:40 a.m. and then to, that is to 12:20 a.m. 12:20 a.m. Okay guys, so the next thing is this. So we just have to write all this. Simple. Okay guys, so after completing the time, okay, the next thing is to just come down here to start writing the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, so just write to Monday, Tuesday, okay, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay guys, after writing the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday down here, the next thing here to do is to just give this thing highlight. So give it highlight and color it with our choice color here. So I can make sure that this thing is being colored by blue here. Okay, let me use this complement blue. Okay, so all right guys, so this one is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So let us adjust this one first. Okay, so let me just adjust this one here. Okay guys, the next thing to do now is to start writing the names of the subjects we are offering the timetable. For instance, now this number 1 here is mathematics. Okay guys, maths. So the second period will be chemistry. So the chemistry, can make it short like this, chemistry. So the next one here is English. Okay, English. So that is, we move to the break time. From break time now, after the break we move to social studies. Okay guys, so that's how we write all this. Okay guys, as you can see, I've written down the name of the subject. So for the first period we have mathematics, second one chemistry, English, social study, biology, government, physics, and agri. So we are going to write the second period now. So I'll just put that dash there so that maybe if you want to write, you know how to complete it. Okay guys, so Okay, guys, so this is how to write a timetable for secondary school in MSL 2019 Excel. Okay, so as you can see here, Monday to Saturday here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So just write down here, and then this is how to write. I can see and you complete the mini subject. Okay, that's why I put question mark here. As you can see, so this is very simple analysis in how to write timetable in